Undoubtedly, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is the most anticipated right now, with speculations and leaks emerging every other day. The most recent speculation is concerning its design, which may draw certain elements from the current iPhone 15 Pro models, namely the titanium construction. It is rumored that all Galaxy S24 models would have a titanium frame for a more luxurious feel. If this occurs, Samsung will abandon the aluminum chassis that it has been using for its Galaxy S phones for quite some time. This contradicts a previous report that said that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be made of titanium, while the other models would stick with an aluminum structure. It is also expected to stick with the same design as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, with a few changes. This will also be true for the basic models. Samsung is also believed to create titanium frames for the basic and plus S24 models, while the S24 Ultra will obtain its frame from a third party. The tracer titanium will also result in a more lightweight body for the Galaxy S24 phones. However, you should be aware that the iPhone 15 Pro models do not use a 100% titanium frame, and it remains to be seen how Samsung handles it. Plus, this could mean a price hike for the entire lineup, which is not exciting. Another source recently obtained CAD models of the alleged Galaxy S24 Ultra. The graphics hint that the device would resemble its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. It is revealed to include a quad-back camera system and compatibility for Samsung's S Pen. Furthermore, it has been widely rumored that Samsung would employ both Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors in the series, although it is unclear which versions and markets will get which variant in the phones. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, according to some rumors, will feature Exynos CPUs, while the S24 Ultra would only use the Snapdragon engine. For Galaxy versions of the S24 and S24 Plus, a recent rumor from Thea states that Samsung will release both the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Africa, Asia, including South Korea, Europe, and Latin America, are expected to debut the Exynos 2400 versions of those phones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.